Why is ecosystem restoration crucial for social-ecological resilience? In one word, regeneration.
Picking up this piece of plastic means to me closing a major gap in our human-nature relationship. And yet, this piece represents a small visible part, whereas much pollution is invisible. Our lifestyle leaves destructive traces, disturbing and sometimes destroying ecological life cycles, which our well-being depends on. We just often do not realize in time. When tracing back waste, you get to inland water bodies where also the less visible pollution like overabundant and nutrients accumulate. Phosphorus and nitrate enter the freshwater bodies, which happened as a mostly unintended side effect from using fertilizers in agriculture and treating sewage water insufficiently. At some point, this leads to toxic algae blooms. This case is an example for a missing connection between our extractive way of production and the responsibility to take sufficient care for the environmental system we depend on. Clean drinking water became a scarce resource, even in some parts during particular drought times in Sweden. Healthy freshwater bodies, including wetlands, help us to purify water. They support recreational activities and prevent risks from storms and flooding. That is why restoration efforts are needed and should aim to bring back the regenerative capacity from ecosystems. Lakes, for example, can mirror our collective activities in a catchment over several decades. So they can teach us about food webs, their dynamics, and how we can respectfully fulfill our needs, and at the same time care for their continued operation. Attending to freshwater bodies is thus one step forward to also care for the coastal and marine environment, and ultimately us humans.